What is breast augmentation versus breast reduction versus breast lift? इन तीनों के बीच क्या डिफरेंस है? आइए जानते हैं। आई एम डॉक्टर रचना टटारिया। आई एम अ कंसल्टेंट प्लास्टिक सर्जन एट फोर्टिस हॉस्पिटल मुलुंड. So breast augmentation और काफ़ी commonly breast enlargement जिसको बोलते हैं is a procedure which is done to improve your breast size and the shape overall. In this procedure, we could use either implants, or for women who are looking for something more subtle, we could use your fat, which is also known as fat grafting or lipomodeling procedure to improve your breast size and breast shape as well. It is specially meant for women who are having small to moderate sized breasts and are looking to improve their body image, contour, proportion, and ultimately their self-confidence. So breast reduction is a procedure which is used to reduce the size and improve the shape of your breasts. It is specially done in ladies who have extremely large breasts and who have a lot of functional issues which are associated with it, which could be your neck and shoulder pain, backache, hygiene issues, and leading to a lot of social embarrassment as well. This surgery can be life-changing and rewarding both from functional and aesthetic point of view. This can be done as a day case procedure. What is a breast lift procedure? So breast lift procedure is a surgery that is done to lift your breasts and to give it a better shape without reducing or increasing its volume. It uses its own volume to create a lift and a better shape. It is specially meant for women who have a lot of breast sagging and who have lost a lot of weight or are post-pregnancy completed childbirth in order to reaffirm that previous shape of the breast they can have. It also can be combined with augmentation or reduction procedure as per individual needs. In order to know what you are suitable for, please consult your plastic surgeon to get to know more about the procedure. Thank you.